Do you feel like doing animation work is too expensive or complicated? I know I used to, but now it's become easier and cheaper than ever before because there are some incredible AI tools that take away the costs and hassle. In this video, I'm going through 7 free AI tools that make animation easier, faster, and accessible to anyone. No experience needed. Whether you're working on content for YouTube, TikTok, or personal projects, these tools have you covered. Let's break down each one so you know exactly how to use them and what they're good for. Tool 1. Hailuo AI is one of the fastest growing tools in the AI animation space, and for good reason. It takes your text descriptions and creates short, animated videos. What sets it apart is how smooth and lifelike the animations are. You can type in something like a futuristic city with neon lights and flying cars, and in seconds, it generates a 6-second video of that scene. It's not perfect for long-form projects yet, but it's fantastic for short clips, teasers, or brainstorming ideas. Hailuo's image-to-video feature also makes it incredibly versatile. If you have an image, whether it's AI-generated or a photo, Hailuo can animate it. For example, you can turn a still image of an ocean against a sunset backdrop into a dynamic video. This is perfect for content creators who want to bring static visuals to life without spending hours on complex software. The platform supports a wide range of visual styles, so you're not limited to just one aesthetic. You can create hyper-realistic clips, anime-inspired visuals, or even abstract, dreamlike animations. For example, if you're designing content for a tech brand, you could generate sleek, futuristic visuals in minutes. Just type your description, upload an image, and tweak the output until it matches your vision. Tool 2. Viggle specializes in animating static images. If you've ever wished your drawings or photos could move, this is the tool for you. It's particularly good for creators working with 2D art, like illustrators or graphic designers. The way it works is simple. You upload your image, choose a motion preset, like a waving hand or bouncing movement, and Viggle transforms it into a short animation. For example, let's say you've drawn a cartoon character for a comic strip. Using Viggle, you could animate that character to walk across the screen, nod its head, or perform other basic movements. It's great for creating GIFs, social media posts, or even short animated ads. What's amazing about Viggle is the range of motion presets and customizations it offers. You can adjust the speed and direction, and even layer multiple animations. So, if you're working on an animated storyboard or just want to add extra depth to an illustration, this tool will help you create fluid, engaging visuals without needing advanced animation skills. Tool 3. Krea does 2 things exceptionally well. It upscales images and turns them into videos. This means you can take low-resolution images and not only enhance their quality, but also animate them to add movement and depth. Here's how you might use it. Say you've created a digital artwork of a forest scene. You upload it to Krea, choose the image to video feature, and set the animation path. For example, you could add a slow pan across the scene, or zoom into specific details like a glowing lantern or a flowing river. Krea will handle the rendering, and the final result looks smooth and polished. The upscaling feature is a huge benefit, especially if you're working with AI-generated art. The resolution might not always be ideal, but Krea makes sure that your visuals look professional even on larger screens. It's perfect for creating content for platforms like YouTube or Instagram, where high-quality visuals are a must. Plus, you can quickly animate low-res artwork without needing complicated 3D software. Tool 4. Hedra is all about 3D animation, making it perfect for creators who want to work with 3D models but don't have the time or expertise for complex software like Blender. It's especially useful for product designers, marketers, or educators who need to create clean, professional-looking animations quickly. Here's how it works. You import your 3D model. This could be anything from a product prototype to a virtual character. Hedra gives you tools to add motion, adjust lighting, and even apply textures. For example, if you're showcasing a new gadget, you could animate it by spinning, folding, or zooming in on key features. Hedra's lighting tools make a huge difference in the final result. By adjusting the light sources, shadows, and reflections, you can create hyper-realistic animations that look like they came from a high-end production studio. This feature is especially useful for industries like e-commerce, where high-quality visuals are essential for product sales. Tool 5. Live Portrait is part of Hugging Face's ecosystem and focuses on animating faces in photos. If you've got a still image, Live Portrait can make it smile, blink, or even lip sync to audio. It's a straightforward tool, but incredibly effective for creating engaging content. To use it, you upload a photo. This could be a picture of yourself, a family member, or even a celebrity. And select the type of animation you want. For example, you could turn a still photo into a talking character for a YouTube video, or animate old family photos for a fun personal project. The results are surprisingly lifelike, especially for a free tool. It's perfect for quick social media content, adding personality to presentations, or even creating a fun way to bring old memories to life. The only downside is that it's limited to facial animations, so you can't use it for full body movements. But for what it does, it's incredibly effective. Tool 6. Adobe Express is a versatile tool that's great for creating motion graphics, animated slideshows, and even simple videos. While it's not exclusively an animation tool, its video features are strong enough to make it onto this list. What sets Adobe Express apart is how easy it is to use. You can create animated text, transitions, and overlays with just a few clicks. For example, if you're working on a YouTube intro, you could animate your logo to fly in, add text that fades out, and include a background transition, all within minutes. Another huge advantage is Adobe Express's integration with other Adobe products like Photoshop and Illustrator. If you've already created assets in these programs, you can import them directly into Adobe Express and animate them within the platform. This makes it an ideal choice for both beginners and pros, as it offers a great balance between simplicity and professional features. Tool 7. Animated Drawings is a fun and unique tool that lets you animate your sketches. You draw a character, upload it to the platform, and Meta's AI brings it to life. It's incredibly simple, but works very well for quick, playful animations. For example, if you've sketched a superhero, Animated Drawings can make it fly, run, or strike a pose. It's perfect for kids, hobbyists, or anyone experimenting with animation. The tool even works with hand-drawn art, so you don't need fancy equipment. Just snap a photo of your sketch and upload it. The animations are basic but charming. While it's not a professional grade tool, it's great for prototyping or just having fun with your ideas. If you're looking to add some movement to your sketches for social media, an animated ad, or a simple story, this tool makes it incredibly easy. These tools prove that you don't need expensive software or years of experience to create amazing animations. Try them out and see which one fits your style. Which of these tools have you used before, or are you thinking of using? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful or interesting, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.